All right, so here I am in front of this vacant house. I actually was able to get in contact with the owners with Deal Machine, so shout out to Deal Machine, thank you so much. And I was trying to get into it, but it's completely boarded up all the way around. I actually tried to get in through a window too, and I was completely unsuccessful. I even tried to put up this barrier, or it's not really a barrier, more like used to be a railing. I climbed up it. I ended up scraping my arm a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. Hopefully we will be able to try to, you know, get this thing wholesaled. We want to come in and actually take some pictures of this place. I've got a lot of people looking at me right now because, of course, number one, this place probably hasn't had anybody in here for quite a while, and then I'm carrying a freaking big pistol on my on my waist because I didn't know if I was going to encounter anybody when I get in there. From the looks of it, looks like somebody is actually inside the house, or was it inside the house. This place is pretty beat up, man. It's been sitting empty for 6 years, but hopefully, you know, we could get this thing wholesaled. I've actually wholesaled about 2 other houses in this neighborhood, so I want to make this number 3. I've got every dog in the neighborhood barking at me now. But this is the beginning of my day. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, I think, or 10 o'clock in the morning. So let's get this day started and see what we encounter today. Who knows? So earlier I started the day out going to a different property to go try to take a look at it. Didn't work out for me. I actually ended up stopping here. This property, I actually wholesaled it. It's probably been about 5 months, 4 months. It was September of last year. I actually wholesaled this property to my grandma. My grandma is actually fixing this up. It's her current flip. So I mean, this place is pretty much ready. There's some, you know, finishing touches that have to be done. And for the area, this house looks fantastic. It's a really nice place. And I was able to give her a pretty good deal on it. I think total investment, besides purchasing the property, I think she spent under $20,000 on the renovation. And it looks really good. It looks really, really good. These floors did not look like this when I gave it to her. It actually, they were tore up. I'm gonna see if I can post some pictures if I find them, but I mean, they look great. It still needs to be vacuumed in here. I can't really tell how dark it is from the video, but this place looks absolutely amazing, especially compared to what it looked like. The entire house needed paint, it needed flooring. The kitchen was red. It looked absolutely atrocious, but it looks great now. I mean, this is ready to go on the market. So I'm gonna end my day with this, guys, and I hope that, you know, you guys had a little bit of fun on my day, walking around with me or coming around with me. Most of the day, I ended up spending it driving for dollars. I was able to I was just driving around looking for vacant properties. Nice little hack that you guys could try and do with Deal Machine is I delete all my properties in it, and then I go searching to create my own list. So like, if I'm looking around just for distressed properties, I'll drive around, take every distressed property down, delete it, I'll go back around, drive and only pick up vacant properties, and just, you know, repeat it. I'll drive around, you know, look at houses that have a bad roof or something like that. Different types of lists, different, you know, different strokes, different folks. Whatever works for you, you know, go for it. But yeah, hope you guys have fun. And that's pretty much the end of my day. It was pretty uneventful. I was hoping to see something more or go somewhere else, but didn't end that way. So take it easy, guys. Hope you're closing some deals.